In Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, sometimes when we try to change values to the ranks, then we might occur a situation which is called as the numbers which are going to be repeated. Let us suppose if two students in a particular subject, they got the same marks as 67 and 67 or 97 and 97. Now I have to assign values, that means a rank to these values. Now I cannot give the same rank to different people. I can assign either first rank and second rank for the two people based on the marks, but that is not correct. In some situations where the marks are repeating, even the rank also should be repeated. If only normal without repetition values are given, we can use our direct formula, which is 1 minus 6 summation d square by n into n square minus 1. But we have an exceptional cases like where marks keep repeated. In that particular situation, we have the next formula which is called as Spearman's repeated ranks formula. That is 1 minus 6 summation d square plus m cube minus m1. That means m cube minus m divided by 12 into n square minus n. So that is, sorry, it is n into n square minus 1. The denominator is always common. But here, what is m? Let us find out. And how many number of such expressions we do get? See here, m1 cube minus m1 plus m2 cube minus m2 plus so on. So how many number of expressions we do get? And what is this m value? Let us see from the problem directly. We have a situation here, calculate correlation for the following data. Either it can be a Carl-Pearson's or by Spearman's rank correlation. If nothing is mentioned, we can follow either of the formula, especially if it is used as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, then we use repeated ranks formula when we found out that the observations are being repeated. Otherwise, we have a normal simple formula which we have used till now. So this is a repeated ranks formula. Now I would like to convert these values to the ranks. See, x values are given. Let us find out ranks of x first, then ranks of y. And while finding out these values, let us find out if there are any values which are repeating or no. Okay. So first, I'm finding out the ranks of first column. In first column, the highest value is 30. The highest value is 30. And 30 is repeating two times. 30 is repeating two times. So then I have to assign ranks 1 and 2 actually. I cannot give first rank for both of them. So then what is the situation I can do? See here, there is a tie between first and second rank. So what do? I'll take the average of these two ranks. Average of these two ranks. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 becomes how much? It is 1.5. So to satisfy both the values, I am giving the common rank for both of them. That is 1.5 and 1.5. But actually here, there are two ranks have been finished. What are those two ranks? First and second. Clear? Now, second highest value is, third highest value is 29. 29 is only one value. Next second rank, sorry, it's I have to give third rank over here. Why? Because first and second ranks are already finished. As per notation, we will write 1.5 for both of them, but actual ranks which we are considering as first and second rank have been finished. After third rank, we have 28, that is fourth rank. After 28, we have the numbers of 24, fifth rank, as well next, sorry, not 24, we have 27 also. After 29, the fourth rank is given to 27. Just a minute. 29 is given third rank, 28 is given as fourth rank, next 27 will be given as fifth rank. After fifth rank, we have 24. So it is sixth rank. After 24, 20 is given as 7th rank. Next, moving on to the 19. 19 is only one value, so the rank is 8.
Two values, sir. 19.
We have the least value is 14. No,
Sir,
here
19 values are 2, sir.
the 19 is repeated twice. 19 and 19 both are repeated. So now what is the actual ranks that I need to apply here? 7 ranks are finished. Now I have to give 7 and 8. Again, there is a tie between 7th and 8th ranks. Again, to satisfy both of them, we do take the average of these two ranks. Then we get the rank which is called as 7.5 and 7.5. But actual ranks which are finished are 7 and 8 are finished. Next, 14 value will be given as rank
Sir, 8
9.
and 9 are.
The least value 11 will be given as 10th rank. See, the number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we can cross verify ourselves where we have done mistake. Why? Because how many values are given? 11 values are given. But how many ranks we got here? We got only 10 ranks. So this is a mistake. Usually what we do while finding out the ranks of given distributed values. So once again, I'll just find out these values for you and to let you know people have done this mistake. Okay. So now once again, the highest value is 30 and it is repeated for twice. So then I'll have 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, 1.5 and 1.5. So next value is 29. So it will be given as third rank, and the 28 will be given fourth rank, and the 24 is fifth rank. Next, 20 is given as sixth rank. After that, 19, 19 is repeated for twice. So we give 7 point, sorry,
Sir,
7
27.
and 7.5. 7 and 8 are finished. So the next number what we have to give is 9th rank. Again, we have done a mistake here by omitting 27th value. So these are the overlapping mistakes what we do actually while solving this repeated ranks problem. So again, once again, let's go back and let us find out the answer perfectly. Anyways, 30 is the highest value. We have given that. Next, 29 is given as third rank. 28 is given as fourth rank. Next, 27 will be given as fifth rank. Then next, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, moving on to sixth rank. After 6, we have 20 is seventh rank. So this was the mistake earlier what we have done. Because of omitting this value, 19 has got 7 and 8th rank. So we have given 7.5 over there. But now as per the numbers, see here, 19 has to be given 8th and 9th ranks. So here, the there is a tie between 8th and 9th. That is, we get 8.5 over here. So 8.5 and 8.5. So actually 8 and 9 are finished. Then next 14 is given as 10. Then last value is given as 11th rank since it is the least value. So I hope you people understood. See, this is how we try to assign the values when there is a repeated ranks. When there is a tie between ranks are there, simply we find out the average of those two ranks and simply we substitute over there. Okay. Now next, finding out finding out ranks for y values now. Out of y values, the highest value is 37. There is no repetition of 37. So it is given as first rank. And the second highest value is 35. So we'll give it as second rank. After 37 and 35, we don't have any other values in 30s. Next, moving on to the 20s, the highest value is 27. So it is third rank. After 27, we have 26, fourth rank. After 26, we have 23. It is as fifth rank. After 23, 21. It is sixth rank. Next, 20 is seventh rank. After 20, we have the highest number as 19. 19 is given as eighth rank. Next, highest value 16. Now here 16, it is repeating again two times here. 16 is repeating two times. How many ranks have been finished? 8 ranks are finished. Now I have to assign 9th and 10th. So what do I do? I'll be taking the average of 9 and 10, that is 9.5. So I'll assign the rank as 9.5 and 9.5. So what are the actual ranks have finished? 10, sorry, 9, 10. So what is the remaining rank we are having? 11. So the number of observations are 11. Number of observations are 11. The ranks also equal to the highest rank is also equal to 11. So now I have found out ranks of X and ranks of Y. Even I have found out D value immediately. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 square is 25. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 square is 1. So likewise, I have already found out the values of summation D square also. I got summation D square value as 225. Summation D square is 225. Now, let us substitute these values onto our formula, that is repeated ranks. Now we have got a clarity that it has been repeated. Okay, ranks have been repeated. So now let us substitute the values over here. So what is the summation D square value we have got? We have got summation D square value as 225. 225. Now let me use brackets for our easy understanding. This is the complete formula, right? So summation D square is 225. We have substituted that plus. And what is the denominator? How many number of observations are there? We have 11 observations. So 11 into 11 square, 11 into 11 square minus 1. So that is the denominator. Now the most important value that which we have to consider is summation m into m square minus 1 by 12. See, the formula which I've already showed you is m cube minus m. M cube minus m. So I have taken m as common here. So then that is become summation m into m square minus 1. Okay. And there is something which is called a summation over here. Summation is nothing but addition of the expression. See, we have m cube minus m by 12 plus m cube minus m by 12. So plus on these numbers. So instead of writing all these terms, I have simply written as summation over here. So how many times now I have to repeat this expression? How many times I have to repeat this expression? Summation. Okay. Now, in our problem, how many number of times we have got a tie between ranks? We have got 3 ties. 3 times there was a tie between the ranks. So this expression has to be repeated. This expression has to be repeated for 3 times. So depending upon the number of times there is a tie between the ranks, this expression keep on repeats. Let us suppose there is a tie for 5 times. 5 times the ranks has been repeated. Then we use this expression for 5 times. Now, what do you mean by m here? What do you mean by m here? Now, first expression, let us constitute for the first tie. First tie. Here, there is a tie between how many number of ranks? It is a tie between 2 ranks only. So, m value is 2. M value is 2. The number of times That means there is a how much the tie between number of observations is called m value. So we get 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 12. And the second time also there is a tie between only two values. So again, the second expression is also same, that is 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. And the last one, third expression is also there is a repetition between two only. There is a tie between two itself. So we get 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 12. So see here, just to have a clarity, let us suppose there is a tie between three ranks. Then we do take the average of these three values, right? Let us suppose 30 is repeating for three times. Then I have to assign the ranks 1, 2, and 3. Now I cannot give that. Instead, what do I do? I'll try to take the average of these values. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 divided by 3, that is average is equal to 2. So I'll give rank 2 as 3 times. But in this case, m becomes 3 here. In this expression, m becomes 3 because there is a tie between three values. So if there is a tie between two values, we do take 2, or if it is a tie between three values, we do take it as 3. Okay, that is how we find out the answer. So that is equal 1 minus 6 into, now again 225 plus, let us find out the expression answer. Now I think all these three expressions are same. It is divided by 12. So I think I can take the LCM as 12. Okay, we can do that. 1 divided by 12 into, now 2 into 2 square minus 1. 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 twos are 6. So 6, once I'm taking the LCM, I'm adding the numerator values. So then again I get 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is my expression. Whole divided by 12, anyways, that is there. Now closing our numerator, divided by 11 into 11 square minus 1. What is 11 square? 121. 11 square is 121. So 121 minus 1 is 120 into 11. So what is our denominator? It is 1320. It is 1320. Now let us find out this answer. 1 minus 6 into, now 6 threes are 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. Okay, 18 divided by 12. 18 divided by 12. We got the answer as 1.5. Add this 1.5 to 225 plus 225. Our answer is 226.5. 226.5 divided by 1320. 1320. So our expression has been simplified. Then next we have 1 minus 6 into, now let us find out the inner fraction value. That is 226.5 divided by 1320 is equal to 0.1716. 0.1716. If I convert it to 4 decimal values, then what is the answer I get? So now 1 minus 6 into this particular value. Let us multiply with 6 into 6. I got 1.0295. That means 1.0, 1.03. 1.03. That means 1 minus 1.03 I get the answer as minus 0.3. That means there is a negative correlation. According to this problem, we have got, there is a negative correlation between x and y. Since r value is less than 0, x and y are negatively correlated.